do the angel thing, but she doesn't quite get that. So.
Clever girl, are you giving the snowman arms?
There's Mummy's hand print. Mummy's big hand print. Okay. What do you think of that?
Seren,
What should we
Seren,
say?
are you going to say cheese for Mummy? Thank you, baby. Go on, can you give me one more? Because that was such a lovely smile. Can I have one more cheese?
Cheese.
Seren, you say cheese?
Mommy.
No? Oh, okay.